guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm so excited we are going to recreate this look. I know it's too much, it's kind of bold, not everyone's cup of tea, but I promise you it's really amazing. We're going to be playing with Scott Barnes eyeshadow palette, and we're also going to use the Aurascape. This is the new eyeshadow palette from Morphe. We're just going to use one shade from this palette, but on our next videos we're going to be playing more of this palette. And I'm also going to use this Carla Cosmetics, the Insomnia Opal Shadow Potion. So you can see it's in the inner corner of our eye. So yeah, I'm very excited. So if you guys are ready like me, let's go and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do the other side of our eye, and I'm going to use the Mega Max Eye Intensifier brush. And we are also going to use our Scott Barnes palette. And we're going to use the Shameless shade. Okay, so we're going bold. So I'm just filling up my brush, and then I'm gonna go on my crease. And then using my double-ended brush, I'm just going to use the crisp side of the brush, and I'm going to dip it into our Morphe Aurascape, and I'm just going to dip it into that pastel projection, just that there. And I'm just going to use that on top of that crease that we've used earlier, just to kind of blend that outer part. Just to soften that edge. So now for the fun part. We are going to use the Morphe gel eyeliner. This is the Jet gel eyeliner. We're just gonna use it just to line the crease. So just on that crease. Okay, just there. Just add some more. Morphe, just a flat tapered brush, and we're going to dip it into the feisty shade over there. Just the tip of our brush. And we're going straight into that jet eyeliner, and we're just going to use it to blend. That's why I told you don't have to worry if it looks like a mess. And we're also going to cut crease that, so. Just go back to your tapered brush, the angled tapered brush, and go back to your Shameless, and just fill this base up again. Okay, just to ensure that you have that, separation of colors. You can blend that later. It looks so good when you smoke it with brown. Okay, and then just go back to your double-ended Sephora and then just blend that in. Okay, now we're going to cut crease the bottom side of our eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna use the Morphe filter effect, and I'm also going to use the Morphe flat brush. Go back to our Max angled brush, and we're going to dip it again into that Shameless shade from Scott Barnes palette, and we're just gonna do the outer corner of our eye. The outer corner up to the maybe. And then we're going to do the bottom of our eyes as well on our lower lash line. We're just gonna line these two together. Okay, so now that we have done that, I'm just gonna go back to my Morphe flat tapered brush, and I'm just gonna dip it into that feisty shade, and I just wanted to blend this one before I put that inner corner. Now this inner corner here is really nice. This is from Glam, right? This is actually from Carla Cosmetics, and this is called the Insomnia Opal Shadow Potion. Now it looks like this, see the purple one, but once it hits the black, anything that's black, it turns into blue, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna use a very small tapered brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna grab that Insomnia and look at the inside. That's how it looks. And we're going to use that into that inner corner up into the middle. We're going to make them blend. You don't even need too much of this because you can start small and then look at the magic. I'm going closer to the camera. But you just start small and then you just blend it out because it's highly just go back to your angled brush and then just bring that pink towards that Insomnia shade. Just so it doesn't have any stop or start. Okay, just going back to that brown again, that feisty shade. Just very light on your brush. It's very your lash line. We've already used this that shameless under our lash line, right? So I'm just going to use a brown, this is a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to do my waterline. And I'm going to bring it down to my lash line. I'm going to use that shameless shade, I mean not the shameless, but the feisty shade underneath, just to blend this. I want to continue that drama from the top down here on our lower lash line. And then you go back to that shameless shade and then just go underneath. Okay, and then using a, well, let's go back to that Sephora brush just to kind of blend everything in. And we have that same color from the bottom, from the top to the bottom. Okay, and then use your clean brush and just buff them all together. Okay, now to finish this eye look, I'm going to use Il Makiage eyeliner just to line our lash line. And I'm going to start, see where the end of that eyeshadow there, I'm going to start from there, and I'm going to just, it's so hard when you have a long eyelash. So I'm just gonna connect these two together. And then if you raise your eyebrows up, it's gonna show you where there is like an empty one, and you just connect that. Okay? And then I'm going to fill it up a bit more. Clean the side. I just put the Morphe just a little bit, and then we're going to use a sponge and we're just gonna clean that. Okay, and then go back to your foundation brush and you just tap it, and don't add any more product, just whatever is left on the brush, just tap it in so it doesn't look like, you know, that there's a, like you can actually see the line that you made. And then I'm just going back to my clean brush. Okay, so that is now our makeup look. I'm just gonna finish this with some blush on and lipstick, and I'll come back. Hello guys, so this is now our final look. I really love how they all come together. It's very bold. I know it's not for everyone, but I really love it, and I enjoyed, you know, putting this makeup together. And for this look, I'm just gonna tell you about the Carla Cosmetics that I use, the Potion Gel Eyeliner. This is the Insomnia Opal Shadow Potion. Just be mindful when you're using this one. Just be mindful that you always put the recap base, because I made a mistake of, you know, keeping this off while I was doing my makeup, and it has oxidized a little bit. It came back to where it was as soon as I recap this, but other than that, it's fine, because when this oxidized, I was left with just white gel eyeliner on my eyelid, and when I was blending them all together, they just fell. So yeah, I think it's also best if you put an eyeshadow first before you put the gel eyeliner. But other than that, I really love the magic. I really love the potion. As soon as it hits anything dark, it turns into blue, which is really nice. I've also used the Aurascape from this makeup today. So I've only used one of the shades from here, but we're going to be playing with this more next time. I really love the color story, and we're gonna do some swatches again. We're gonna do some swatches as well next time. And again, and also our Scott Barnes palette. I've had it for maybe a year now, but the pigments are still really there, which is really good. I love that it also comes with the mirror that we can always we can use when we do our makeup. It's not as small as the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but it's still, you can still put this if you're traveling. You can still put this in your bag and bring this with you when you travel. But unlike the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is really small, that you can just put it in your purse and off you go. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I really love it. I also had a great time putting this together, and until next time, I hope to see you again. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button there, and if you love this, please do hit the like button there. So yeah, until next time guys, hope you stay safe and God bless you all. Bye.